In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Airtable to PDF. This is a simple yet powerful way to keep a snapshot of your data, or share it with others who may not have access to your Airtable. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the specific Airtable view you intend to save as a PDF. It's important to select the right view because this will determine exactly what data is included in your final PDF file. Feel free to adjust your table until you're comfortable with what you see. This might involve filtering or sorting your data to ensure it tells the story or highlights the information you most want to convey. If there are specific elements you're trying to spotlight, maybe a particular project status or a set of dates, take advantage of Airtable's robust filtering options to tailor this view just right. Once your data is set and organized to your liking, you're ready to move on to converting it into a PDF. On a Windows computer, you'll need to press Ctrl and P simultaneously. For Mac users, it's slightly different. You'll press Command and P. This keystroke brings up the print dialog box, an essential bridge for converting your data to a PDF format. Now in this print dialog, pay close attention to the settings. You'll find an option labeled Destination. Make sure you change this to Save as PDF. This step changes your output from a physical printer to a digital file, allowing you to save the virtual printout of your Airtable data directly as a PDF. After you've set the destination to Save as PDF, a crucial final step remains, saving the file itself. A dialog box will appear prompting you to choose a file location and a descriptive file name that will make it easy to identify later. Consider creating a dedicated folder on your desktop or wherever you traditionally save documents to keep your exported PDFs organized. Having a clear, consistent file naming strategy can also be incredibly helpful, especially if you'll return to this process regularly or need to share these files with colleagues who may be searching for them too. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Airtable view into a PDF document. This PDF serves as a versatile format for viewing, sharing, or printing your data, meaning you can circulate it among your team or keep it handy for your offline records. Whenever you need to preserve a view from Airtable, just follow these steps to efficiently produce a high-quality PDF. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and as always, feel free to experiment with the different settings to suit your specific needs. If you have any questions, be sure to check out our other content for more detailed insights into maximizing your productivity with Airtable.